Hi, hello, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I'm trying to answer that. Actually, my friend from Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia, by the way. And then he asked me, "What if I start uh, creating content on YouTube? Start with YouTube Shorts. As you know, that YouTube Shorts as competing products from YouTube since it was a TikTok launch, and TikTok really disrupt many people or many platform, and then Instagram launched Reels, and then YouTube launched Shorts to compete with TikTok on the vertical or the portrait videos. So what if you start YouTube from Shorts? And then I would say that that's a good start. That's a good start for you who are very new on the content world, on the content creator world. Uh you must, I mean, no, you must, you completely fine that you choose YouTube Short as your start. But I have some notes for you. The first one, if your vision solely on shorts, let's say in the next 2 years you just keep on short and never think about Instagram Reels, long format of YouTube, and then what else, Instagram post, TikTok, and so on, I don't recommend that. So for start, YouTube Short was good, very good, but you have to have vision to create on another format, especially for YouTube long format. Why I recommend long format for you? Since the long format on YouTube never been disrupted to any platform in the world right now. So that's why TikTok China with very brilliant talents out there. They not competing on YouTube about the long format, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe an hour videos, but they creating, find the polarization, the differentiation very different with YouTube. They creating TikTok. That's why YouTube long format still the best, I think, for you who want to create a good content on YouTube. Okay, solely think about shorts, I don't recommend that. So clear no. And then secondly, look for good purchasing audience. So if you are creating shorts, which is a good start, if you are making a content about cartoon, about kids, about what else, about pranks or anything, I don't recommend that. But you have to close your eyes and then think about it. Think the audience who has good purchasing power. What is good purchasing power? Let's say an executive, let's say a business person, let's say a content creator, let's say a teacher, maybe, let's say a professional, let's say a professor, and so on and so on. The people who has money, that's really important, since if you play on YouTube short or YouTube long format, the revenue that you earn, it depends on who watch your videos. If children, adolescent watching your video, which is by default they don't have uh, money income by themselves, which is they get from their parents, that's not a good purchasing audience. So looking for people who has money to create your YouTube Shorts content. So what's the example? For instance, if you are creating an education of business, that's very good content you start on YouTube. Even if the views very low, believe me, in the long run, and then later if you are start to creating long format video, you able to monetize easily and got more money from people who creating content on cartoons, content on YouTube Shorts. That's it. That's my experience about YouTube Shorts. If you you can you can you can put your objection on down below. You can fully disagree with me. That's fine. Please put on the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.